Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, a tech giant that's ruled the business world for over 60 years. Banks, governments, airlines, they all depend on its systems. Leaving? Impossible. Too expensive. Too risky. Trillions in transactions locked in forever. Then, one Monday in February 2026, a small AI startup drops a single blog post. And in hours, that giant loses billions in market value. Shares crash 13% in a single day, the worst drop in over 25 years. This isn't hype. This is real. Today we're diving into how AI just broke IBM's unbreakable 60-year lock-in. If you're into tech, AI disruption, or just love a good Wall Street drama story, stick around till the end. Hit that like button if you're ready. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss these breakdowns. Let's jump in. First, let's go back. The story starts in the late 1950s with COBOL, Common Business-Oriented Language. Created around 1959 to 1960, it's one of the oldest programming languages still in heavy use today. COBOL powers 95% of all ATM transactions in the US core banking systems, Social Security payments, airline reservations, government records. And guess where most of this code runs? On IBM mainframes, specifically the Z Systems hardware. For decades, IBM built an ironclad moat around this. The code is ancient, millions, sometimes billions, of lines. The original programmers? Mostly retired. Universities barely teach COBOL anymore. Migrating away? Costs millions, or tens of millions, takes years, and risks catastrophic failure. One bug could halt transactions worldwide. So companies stayed. They paid premium prices for IBM hardware, maintenance, consulting, and services. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, became the mantra. This created one of the strongest vendor lock-ins in tech history. A 60-year fortress of profitability for IBM. Then came February 23, 2026. Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, published a blog post titled something like, "How AI Helps Break the Cost Barrier in COBOL Modernization." They showcased Claude Code, an AI tool that can read and analyze thousands of lines of legacy COBOL in minutes, map dependencies and workflows automatically, generate documentation, identify risks and security issues, translate COBOL into modern languages like Java or Python. Anthropic claimed, what used to take armies of consultants years and massive budgets now could happen in quarters, at a fraction of the cost. In other words, the impossible escape from IBM's ecosystem just got a whole lot easier. Wall Street freaked out. IBM stock plunged 13.2% that day, closing around $223, the biggest single-day drop since October 2000. Market value wiped out? Estimates ranged from $30 billion to over $40 billion in the panic. Social media exploded. IBM empire over. AI just killed legacy lock-in. Mainframes are done. The sell-off was brutal. IBM was on track for its worst monthly performance in decades, down over 27% in February alone. Analysts and influencers called it the latest AI casualty. First cybersecurity stocks, now enterprise giants. The fear, if AI can crack COBOL, what's next for other locked-in vendors? But IBM didn't stay silent. The very same day, Senior VP Rob Thomas published a strong response blog, Lost in Translation, what the AI code debate keeps getting wrong. His key points. Translating COBOL code is just syntax swapping. It doesn't touch the real value. The magic is in the platform. Z/OS, CICS, DB2, unparalleled security, 99.99999% uptime, massive scale, quantum-safe encryption. AI helps with code analysis and refactoring. But IBM already has tools like Watsong's Code Assistant for exactly that. True modernization involves business logic, compliance, testing, integration, things AI speeds up but doesn't fully solve overnight. IBM argued, AI is a tool they use to strengthen mainframes, not destroy them. The stock even bounced back a bit, up around 5% in following sessions, as calmer heads prevailed. Mainframes aren't vanishing anytime soon. They're still mission-critical for regulated industries. So, what's the truth? AI, especially tools like Claude, did challenge IBM's lock-in. It lowered the biggest barrier, the insane cost and time to understand and refactor legacy code. But it hasn't fully broken it yet. Full migrations remain complex, risky, and expensive. Enterprises won't rip out systems handling billions in daily transactions on a whim. That said, this is a massive warning shot. AI capabilities double every few months. What seems gradual today could accelerate fast. February 2026 showed how one announcement can shake a trillion-dollar industry. This isn't just about IBM. It's about any company relying on legacy lock-in. Banks, insurers, governments, software vendors. The era of inescapable tech moats is cracking. So there you have it, how a blog post about a 67-year-old language rocked IBM and signaled bigger changes ahead. What do you think? Will AI eventually kill off mainframes? Or will IBM adapt and thrive? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI disruption stories, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay ahead. See you in the next one.